Today's video is about how to solve exponential equations. This is the steps for solving exponential equations. First of all, you need to check, can you make the same base? If answer is yes, then you will make a same base on both sides of an equation. Then cancel the base to get P of x equals Q of x, then you can solve x. If you cannot make a same base, first of all, you need to isolate the exponential expressions on one side of the equation. Then you take log on both sides. Let's go to part 1. Solve each equation. For number 2, we know this is an exponential equation. Since we cannot make the same base, you need to isolate this exponential expression on one side. Divided by 15 both sides. We will get 2 to the negative x plus 7's power equals reduce 1 over 3. Then we take log both sides. When you take log, we will use the same base as this one. So we get log base 2. Log base 2. We know this formula. Log base a of a to the x power equals x. For this part, we will get negative x plus 7 equals log base 2 of 1 over 3. Then this is a linear equation. Minus 7 both sides. Negative x equals log base 2 of 1 over 3 minus 7. Then we divide it by negative 1 both sides. X equals 7 minus log base 2 of 1 over 3. For number 4, exponential equation, we cannot make a same base. Exponential expression is already isolated. So we will take a common log of both sides because base here is 10. Common log 10 to the 4x power equals common log of 9. Here we will get 4x equals common log of 9 divided by 4 both sides. X equals 1 over 4 common log of 9. Let's go to number 5. 6 to the x minus 1's power equals 5 to the 2x plus 1's power. We could say the bases are different. When you see some question like this, remember your goal is to get b to the x power equals c form. You got to use this formula. B to the m plus n's power equals b to the m's power times b to the n's power. So for 6 to the x minus 1's power, we will do 6 to the x power times 6 to the negative first power equals 5 to the 2x power times 5 to the first power. Then you organize. If you have negative exponents, you need to change into positive exponents. 6 to the x power times 1 over 6 equals 5 to the second power, that is 25 to the x power times 5. We want to create this form. So we isolate exponential expressions on the left side. we divided by 25 to the x power both sides. A to the x power over b to the x power, we can write down a over b to the x power. 6 over 25 to the x power times 1 over 6 equals 5. Multiply by 6 both sides. So we have 6 over 25 to the x power equals 30. This time we will take log base 6 over 25 both sides. Use this formula. Log base a of a to the x power equals x. We will get x equals log base 6 over 25 of 30. For number 6, 8 to the x power stay. 2 to the 2x power times 2 to the negative first power times 3 to the negative x power times 3 squared. Organize a to the x power equals 4 to the x power times 1 over 2. Then times. For b to the negative x power, I can write down 1 over b to the x power. So we have 1 over 3 to the x power times 9. Isolate the exponential expressions on the left side. So we divide by 4 to the x power both sides. We will get 8 over 4 to the x power equals 9 over 2 times 1 over 3 to the x power. So multiply by 3 to the x power both sides. Reduce, this is a 2, this is 1. So we have 6 to the x power equals 9 over 2. Then you take log base 6 both sides. X equals log base 6 of 9 over 2. Look at number 8. E to the x plus 2's power minus 2 equals e to the x minus 2's power. For this exponential equation, there are 3 terms. Normally, for 3 terms, we will check whether it is a quadratic pattern. Can we change into ax squared plus bx plus c form? Definitely we cannot, because we cannot create e to the x power squared. So we need to isolate exponential equation on one side, cross the river, change the sign. We will get e to the x plus 2's power minus e to the x minus 2's power equals 2. Then for e to the x plus 2's power, we will write down e to the x power times e squared minus e to the x power times e to the negative second power equals 2. Then we can take e to the x power out. You will get e squared minus e to the negative second power equals 2. Then we divide it by e squared minus e to the negative second power, both sides, so that we can get e to the x power equals 2 over e squared minus e to the negative second power is 1 over e squared. This is a complex fraction we need to simplify. So we will multiply by e squared for every single term. that equals 2e squared e to the fourth power reduced minus 1. So we have 2e squared e to the fourth power minus 1. This time we will take a natural log of both sides. X equals natural log 2e squared e to the fourth power minus 1.